Look, let me go ahead and show you guys. The design in this is kind of stupid. The whole wire harness and everything is out, but then you'll see this battery pack. You follow it down, you follow it down. Just keep following it down, and it goes underneath the engine through there. So I will have to jack it back up and then somehow take that wiring harness off. It's just all part of the process. Well, you might be asking what's next. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know. Not a single clue. I'm just gonna start from top to bottom, strip this block apart. I'm thinking serpentine belt or intake manifold. Those are probably 7s. Take off the fuel rails. Yeah, let's start off with the intake manifold and go from there. I have no clue what I'm doing. It isn't bad. Well, kind of really oily, but I guess it will have to do. Now, where to put this? Quick tip. Taking this clutch fan out can be pretty easy. You just need to take out that bolt right there. One way I did it was holding this with a vise grip against the water pump. Let that brace, and then I took this little pipe, right? Stick that in there, and then just gave it a good twist. And now this puppy should be spinning out. It should, if you see it coming out right now. And boy, that was a freaking hassle, just saying. But at least we got it out. Damn weak freaking impact. It's a damn long bolt. So as expected, all these pulleys have to come out. Lunchtime.
The next day.
See oil. More oil. Hope the next size is cooling. I'm not really seeing much. Guess that's all it needed. Woo-wee! This motor is in pristine. Look at this, man. What's holding on to it? A plug? Of course, let's put a plug right in the middle, right? I mean, I don't know what sense that makes, but I'm not the engineer, ladies and gentlemen. So, looking down, that is the camshaft. It runs both sides, and then there goes the timing belt chain. So, I mean, everything looks clean, but it's dry. I mean, you see little spots of oil right there, focus camera. But honestly, let me show you guys the thumbnail. First look inside the engine. But it looks nice. First time ever seeing it, and I like it. I said screw it, we're going all the way in. Valve covers are coming off too. Never seen before. Nope. Comes off like this. The bolts do not come off. And that looks clean. Inside also. I mean, it's looking like we're doing good, boys. Let's take a deeper look. Nice and clean. Pretty sure these are called the lifters. If I'm wrong, please don't eat me in the comments. But it looks nice. Now from this part on, I'm not continuing because I have no idea what I'm doing. But I do got to get the serpentine off also. Turn converter if anybody wants it. I don't know, just shoot me some numbers. It's a Taco dos Patas. I really hope that did not have no babies. Because if they did, it's not gonna be good. I mean, is it still on there about a five wheel? I mean, I don't see it anymore. It must have crawled up. It's probably saying I'm finally free. That's amazing. It's still alive.
Yeah. Handouts create lazy people I'm not impressed with. You want something they like, then why don't you go and get it? Actions speak louder than words do. It's pretty quiet, isn't it?